Hello viewers, you're welcome to another edition of Golden Stitches. I want to appreciate all our subscribers. I want to especially say very thank you for subscribing to our channel. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, you can please click on the red icon there, then click on the notification bell. The notification bell helps you to know whenever I post a new video. Alright, so let's get started. So today I'll be teaching us how to make tailor's ham. Is that okay? I'll be showing you a visual of, most for some that don't know what really the tailor's ham is used for. You see all those princess darts, all those hidden places in fabric that you want to iron that you're not really able to iron. The tailor's ham help you to be able to iron those places. So let's get started. So the measurements we are working with, as you can see, I've written it here. I'm not sure you can see, but let me write it boldly. 11 cm by 10 cm. Is that okay? Let me zoom it so that you can see it. Alright, so we're going to measure our 11 cm now. So the height is going to be 11, so I've marked here, by 10 cm. So once you have your square like this, is that okay? So once you have your square like this, what you are going to do next now is to try and draw a triangle in this. So you take the midpoint here and you draw a triangle here. Alright, so once you've done that now we don't want this shape to be straight, so I'm just going to curve in this way like this. Is that okay? And do the same for the other side. And do the same for the other side. Alright, so I'll now cut this out. So I see this is the shape you are going to have. Can you see it? Alright. So it's this shape now that you're going to cut 4 pieces, 4 for the landing inside, and then 4 for the main fabric that we're going to use to cover it. So I'm going to place it this way, and this I'm going to place it. And I now cut 4 pieces of this and 4 pieces of the landing. So I've cut for the fabric, then this is the landing. So what I will do now is take it to the sewing machine and join it together. So alright, I've taken it to the machine that I want to sew. So I'm using this black thread so that you can see what I'm sewing. So this is the landing. I want to join them. So you can see that the right side is facing each other. I'm going to sew it now. So you are going to do this repeat this for the whole landing and the fabric. Can you see it? So I've sewn it. So you do this for all other ones. So as you can see, I've sewn all of them. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I see it. Put the right sides together like this. That's it. So we want to join them together. Then you are going to run it through the upper part and sew it down. Then you are going to repeat the same thing for this one. The right sides together this way. Can you see it? Then you are going to sew it this way. So let me sew it and I'll get back to you. So after you've joined it, once you turn it out, it should look something like this. You can see you already have the casing for the fabric that you are going to use. Is that okay? So this is what you are going to have. This is what you are going to have. This is what you are going to have. Then the next thing that you are going to do now, I'm going to take it to the table. But before that, let me just show you here. Then I'm going to take it. You are seeing this covering here. You need a cycle to cover it up. So you are just going to cut it with the fabric. Is that okay? Now if you easy way to achieve this is for you to you can place it this way on the fabric, then you just draw. Is that okay? Then you just draw around the parts where the cap is touching, then you get your cycle. Is that okay? Alright, so I've cut the cycle I was talking about. So the next thing now is to mash it up this way, the good side facing the good side. I'm going to mash it up this way. Then I'm going to sew it. Then when you get to some maybe like 2 inches, you leave it open so that you'll be able to pass the fabric or the pieces into it. Is that okay? So I've sewn it round and this is the space that I left. Is that okay? So I just want to turn it inside out now to show you what it looks like. So you can see we've covered it. So this is the space I was telling you to leave. Is that okay? So these are the pieces that I will be working with. Is that okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and shocking all the pieces into this one that I've sewn. So I've gone ahead and stuffed it with the pieces that I made. Is that okay? So you can see what we have right now. So we are just going to press it into shape. Press it until you have the perfect shape that you are looking for. Is that okay? So after you've done that, you see this place that I've opened, I'm going to use invisible stitch to now close it. So you can do it this way, or you just take it to your machine, then you just run a straight stitch to close it up. Then after you've done that, now this is the main fabric, so I'm going to use it to cover it this way. So I've gone ahead to tuck it inside the new fabric. And make sure you smoothen it out. So smoothen it out very well. So once you've done that, this is the circle I'm going to use to cover it. So this is it. But now you can't cover it like this except you want to sew it with hand. I don't want to go through all this process. Alright, so I'm now going to remove it. Then I'm going to run a stitch like halfway through. Once you've run the stitch halfway through, you now need this so that you'll be able to pass this one into the casing. So I'm going to take it in the machine and run the stitch. So I've stuffed it now, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to close this place. So I decided to close it with invisible closing. Exactly. So I'll do that, then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So for those of you that don't know how to use this, in the next video I'll show you, one of my videos, I will show you how to use it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please click the notification button for new uploads. Thank you.